Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. John started a business in which he earned $1 on the first day, $4 on the second day, $7 on the third day, $10 on the fourth day, and so on. What is his earning on day 1001? Give a try before checking the solution. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do consider subscribing for the channel and enable notifications for the newest videos watching. We can solve this problem by using simple math concepts. Let me explain the solution now in detail. According to the question, John started a business in which he earned $1 on the first day, $4 on the second day, $7 on the third day, $10 on the fourth day, and so on. The thing that is unique about the question is that each day his earnings increased by 3. The pattern looks like an arithmetic progression. Hence, the earning each day are in arithmetic progression where each term has a common difference, that is, difference in each consecutive term is constant. An arithmetic progression is basically a sequence of numbers such that the difference of any two successive members is a constant. For example, the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. is an arithmetic progression with common difference 1. Similarly, the sequence 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is also an arithmetic progression with common difference 2. If the sum is S, the sum S of the first n numbers of an arithmetic progression is calculated by the formula S equals n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2, where a is the first term in the sequence, d is the common difference between terms, and n is the nth term in the sequence. We use this formula to find the solution for this problem since the pattern looks like an arithmetic progression. In this sequence, a equals 1, which is a first term in the sequence, d equals 3, which is the common difference between terms, and n equals 1001, which is the nth term in the sequence. So now solve for a equals 1, d equals 3, n equals 1001. Substitute the value of a, d, and n in the formula n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2. After substituting, equation becomes s equals 2 plus 3 into 1000 into 1001 divided by 2. After solving, equation becomes s equals 3002 into 1001 divided by 2. After solving this, s equals $1,502,501. Thus, total earning of John on day 1001 is $1,502,501. By using this simple math technique, you can solve this problem easily. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and always thank you for your support.